Yo, I'm Jeff, and this is Mini Garage. Today we're moving the rest of our Datsun horde. So me and Bush, Eli, we bought some Datsun parts a while back, and well, we're trying to move the last of it today. We got 8 cars and a crap ton of parts to move. So Kenny's coming down with a box truck. My buddy Bill's bringing a truck and trailer. Bush is hauling a trailer. Eli's hauling a trailer. I'm hauling a trailer. We're borrowing some people from Springfield that we're giving wads of cash, just throwing money out at them to help us out. But the main thing is our homies are showing up. My other buddy, my boss, Eric, is going to haul my trailer. So I got to load straps and get everything in the truck before everybody gets here. I didn't want to leave it in there overnight, but it's 4 in the morning and it's Saturday and we're getting ready to truck it out. So we'll check back in a minute. So we're down here at the yard. We got to get stuff loaded up on the trailer. That's the first load on my truck. We got stuff on Bush's truck back there, and then we got another load on Eric's truck with my trailer. We got stuff that we got to haul back, and then some other friends are coming down pretty soon with a box truck and another trailer. So we'll get these guys going with the first load, and yeah, that's what we're doing. So Kenny and Becky showed up in this big ass box truck they brought, and we're getting hoods and doors loaded up. Kind of hard to see, but the parts keep coming. I mean, we're nowhere near anywhere where I thought we'd be. I thought we'd be loaded up, and I don't know how we're gonna fit all this in our warehouse, but we're gonna give it a shot. So I don't have time to walk you guys through all of it, but we'll check in soon. So it's the last load for us at the end of the day. We still have a few more things to get. Here's the beach truck, another 320. So there's 2 320s, and that's full of bumpers. We're getting the race truck load. We're gonna put that on the back of Bush. Bush's gonna haul that home. We're getting the tires aired up on it right now. I'm exhausted, but I've been here all day. We got the box truck loaded, we got Eli loaded, we got Bill, we got a bunch of stuff in Bill's truck and trailer. Here's the 510 wagon, and we made a hell of a dent in our parts. Let's see what else we got out here. Probably the wind's blowing in the microphone, you can't hear anything. We still got all these cabs and beds to bring up. There's a bunch of grills, gas tanks, radiators, a whole bunch of stuff. Anyway, we'll be on the road headed home and get this stuff unloaded. Next time I get by the shop, I'll get in there and show you guys how we got everything wedged in there. The complete cars are going to Leroy's house. He's been gracious enough to let us store them at his place. That's really been pretty sweet. Saves us a bunch of headaches. So yeah, we'll get some video in the shop and we'll see you back up in Portland. So it's Sunday morning, and last night the plan was to head up to the shop and go drop these off at Leroy's, the homies. But there was 2 Division I football games in between my place and Springfield, where we picked all this stuff up. And so our 2-hour drive home last night took us 4 hours. So we just came home and parked. So this morning, now we're gonna run out to the shop. Everything takes longer than you expect. You know, we actually thought we'd have all of our parts horde picked up and moved yesterday. We still have a few more loads to grab. and move up there. But the weekend's not over yet. And yeah, we're gonna go get the stuff taken off the trailer. We'll catch you up at the shop. When Eli's done making noise,
fuck off.
We're in the shop. We got the 510 wagon in here. It's on a cart. Eli yesterday and Cobb and Max organized stuff that, you know, Kenny and Becky and Bill and Eli brought stuff in. We've got tailgates stacked up, doors, hoods. I guess there's manifolds in there. We got mirrors over there. Yeah, this is a lot. We're going up to Leroy's right now to unload my trailer. Eli, oh, there's fenders. We got a wicked wall ornament there.
Oh yeah.
What do you want to say after all this work? Is it gonna be worth it?
It'll be definitely well worth it, but the thing we gotta still look at is there's a lot of shit in here.
Yeah.
Definitely something to give us busy over the wintertime. So
Absolutely. So if you guys need any Datsun stuff, please reach out. Let Eli, Bush, or myself know, and we'll get you taken care of. We'll check in, you know, and show you where we parking the cars up at Leroy's in just a few minutes. So here's a couple of the wagons. 720. A couple more 521, 720, 521. The Roadster. Ha ha ha. 620. Yeah, we got some stuff out here. So here in the end of this video, I'm leaving you some of the pics we got of what we picked up and what we've got in the shop. This isn't everything. This is just a start. The amount is overwhelming. If you see something you need or want, please message us on Facebook. Jeff Rosenberger on Facebook. If you don't know, it's Geoff Rosenberger, Rosenberger. Jeff Rosenberger on Facebook. Or you could buy parts from us on eBay if that makes you more comfortable. That's .maz Foreign Auto Parts on eBay. DATMAZ Auto Parts, Foreign Auto Parts on eBay. We have had our store up for a while. Yeah, check it out, and let's help you get what you need for your Datsun project or Mazda. We've got lots of Mazda parts too, so hit us up. So that's basically the majority of what we got. We got another couple loads to do down in Springfield, but this is our stuff. So yeah, welcome to the craziness. Till next time, Mini Garage, we out.